And the power of books is bigger than what many people think it is, because you can see yourself through a book, you can see a new world through a book, and you can see a whole new perspective that you never thought was a thing.
In a world where knowledge is power, books are our windows to understanding, empathy, and growth. But what happens when those windows are threatened to be shut? Censorship in the form of book bans, a controversial topic that affects communities worldwide.
So in the Constitution, it says that everybody is allowed a freedom of speech, but if you're gonna mute authors by censorship, then aren't you just stripping them of their freedom of speech?
If one person or a parent doesn't want their kid to read a book, that shouldn't be dictated for everyone else.
Censorship in the form of book bans is significant because it blocks a lot of important information inside of books from being shared with the world.
Books are a way for everyone in our world and our communities to reach something inside them and that find different perspectives and cultures that they might have not realized. Interactive workshops and engaging discussions with authors and experts, we are empowering individuals to stand up for their right to read.
Next chapter opened my eyes to the importance of intellectual freedom.
Because of Next Chapter, I feel empowered to speak up against book bans in my community.
And now we are moving out into the community. Find us this spring and summer at community events in our local library.
Join us at Next Chapter because every voice deserves to be heard. We can turn the page on book bans and write a new chapter of inclusivity, diversity, and intellectual freedom. And thus, the next chapter begins.
In second place, Next Chapter, Thomas Grover Middle School in New Jersey.